thank you so much for the 1000 subscribers. It has become possible because of your constant love and support. Today we got you a very special recipe of Kerala style chili chicken. So let's get started.
So to the small cube chicken pieces, we add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder and some half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of Garam Masala, and then goes 2 teaspoons of red chilli paste, which are homemade. The recipe is just there in the description box. One thing to note is to add water little by little so that there is not too much of water in the batter. The chicken needs to be deep fried in oil, which is kept in medium to low heat. The reason why we keep the medium to low heat oil is so that the outside gets cooked first and the inside doesn't get cooked if the heat of the oil is too much. Now let's start making the sauce. So for that we add 2 tablespoons of oil. To the oil we add 25 grams of ginger and some garlic. Just cooking, one thing to be kept in mind is that the heat has to be on high and ensure that the vegetable doesn't change any color. Along with tomato sauce, you may also choose to add some soy sauce as well. That totally depends on you. Start adding some hot water to form a gravy. Add water which is just suitable enough for a gravy. In case you wish to have dry chili chicken, please do not add water at all. The cornflour and water will act like a starch and which will help you to thicken the gravy.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, then it would be great if you can subscribe to our channel because that would encourage us a bit more.